bounce it around. C for cat, so soft and sweet. D for dog, with happy feet. E for elephant, big and gray. F for fish, that swims all day. G for goat, that likes to play. H for hat, we wear today. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for juice, so good in my tummy. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, with a roar so high. M for monkey, climbing trees. N for nest, with little bees. O for owl, who hoots at night. P for pig, pink and bright. Q for queen, with a crown so tall. R for rabbit, who hops to wall. S for sun, shining bright. T for train, choo-choo ride. U for umbrella when it rains. V for van, on busy lanes. W for whale, so big and blue. X for xylophone, playing tunes too. Y for yak, strong and hairy. Z for zebra, black and fairy. Now we've sung our ABC. Come and sing again with me.